So, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, come back again with me in the last demo of my application in Android Studio. It is my Bittaqwa app application. This the last layout. It is video kajian, and after this layout, there will be a new tutorial, a new demo about my application that I have. What that I have modified. So yeah. So now let's talking about this application. This feature, this application have one of the feature is video kajian or lecture video. So what's the lecture video? First, if you click that, you will see the item here. It is not only the item, but it will show an item from this item until 9 items. So what's item in this layout? The item is like this. So what's this? This is the text that will show the channel of the lecture that we will know. So yeah, later there will be something like something like this in this layout, but there is 9. And the first text is we'll talking about the channel or the channel that show the lecture. For example, there's Roja TV, KHB, or Rumah TV. And this is the TV speaker. So who is the speaker of this lecture? We'll show it in this text. It might be Ustadz Firanda Dinja or Ustadz Khalid Batsarama or either. And for this is the title of the lecture. For example, the title is about praying, about dua, about we talk or about um or about attention to our parents, something like that. And after that after we click one of the item here, we will move to this place. This is the place that will show the YouTube of that lecture. This will be the button share, this for the channel speaker and title, this for the summary or the what's the name or the conclusion. So yeah, now let's just go to the what's the name, Kotlin class. So yeah, so the we in this time we have so many Kotlin class. The first we have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we have around 6 here. Okay, so the first, let's talk about the menus. So in this menu, firstly we need to import the item here. I have import so many things. There is bundle, menu item, app compat activity, linear layout manager, activity menu video kajian banding, video kajian list adapter, video kajian data, and video kajian model. So yeah, this is a code for if we click a button from menus before this one. If we click this button, it will go to this one, and this one will show the all nine thing of this item, and this one. And after that, when we when we click one of the item before, this one will bring us to this one, for we can watch the lecture video. And this is the code. The first is there is intent. There's intent for the import, activity info, bundle, app compat activity, activity detail, video kajian banding, video kajian model, YouTube player, abstract YouTube player listener, and YouTube player full screen listener. And yeah, so as what I said before, so this Kotlin class will show you about the if you click one of the button in wait sorry if you click one of the button in menu, and after that you will go to this layout, and this layout, and on this layout you will watch the list, you will watch the what's the name, the lecture video of one of the ustad. And then next we have full screen, and this is not using Kotlin class, but this Java's class. Why in here we are using Java? Because this only for we can get into the full screen. So yeah, so like usual, we'll talk about the import first. Here we import only two. This is only activity and view, and yeah, this is the code that we need for we can show the full screen. And yeah, this is video kajian list adapter. The next. What is this list adapter? So yeah, we will show the list. So when this one will open the model and the data for we can show for it can show the title and the image photo or the thumbnail and the channel and the speaker. So what's import here? Okay, import so many things for the first is layout, intent, after that layout Flutter, layout in Flutter, view group, image view, text view, recycler view, glide, bitmap, transform, R or res here, the res this one, or we can enter to the layout and the tail, video kajian model, and blur transformation. So yeah, this code took until 56. And next to this layout to the no, this Kotlin class, it is what video kajian model. So what's inside video kajian model? It is like package here. So when we import, firstly we import two things. It is Android OS parcel level and Kotlin Android parcelize. And this model will get the data from video kajian model. And what's data that we take? It is the first is thumbnail here, the thumbnail. So you can see here there is around five thumbnail. The first thumbnail from KHB, this from Siranda Indonesia, this from TV, this from Raja TV, and this from Rumai Show. And then the next is channel. So what's inside of the channel? The channel will show this channel. The first is Khalid Basalam official, and there is Vinanda Dirja, Yufit TV, Raja TV, and Rumaiso TV. And the next is speaker. Yeah, this one speaker will show about who is the speaker of this lecture. For example, the first is there's Khalid Basalama, second is Firanda Nirja, the third is Ustaz Abdul Rahman Toyib, the fourth is Ustaz Abu Firdaus Ahmad Ridwan, and the last is Ustaz Abdul Tosikal. And next is there is title video. The title of the video here is the title, and the first is berbakti kepada orang tua. The first title from Ustaz Khalid Basalamah and from Dr. Fernanda Dirja is bentuk syukur of the shape of grateful, and the third from Ustaz Abdul Rahman Taib is the purpose of life or tujuan hidup, and from Ustaz Abu Firdaus Ahmad Ridwan is about surga tidak dapat capai dengan kelayaan or heaven will not be reached by laziness, and last from Ustaz Abdul Tasikal, don't spending the time. And then next, here there is a string of URL video. So what's inside of URL video? So this is the URL for Ustaz Development Lecture. This for Ustaz Firanda Adirja Lecture. This for Ustaz Abdul Rahman Taif. This for Ustaz Abu Fairuz Ahmad Ridwan. And this for Ustaz Abdul Tasikal. And then the next is summary. summary. Here you can see summary. The last. Last is summary, and what's inside of summary? Summary is something like we put there something like um the conclusion of this lecture. So yeah, this is the conclusion of the lecture of from Ustaz Khalid Basalama. So yeah, it took so long. And then from Ustaz Firanda and Nidja about the shape of syukur or grateful. And this from Ustaz Abdurrahman Tayyib, the longest. This from Ustaz Abu Fairuz. This and this is the last from Ustad M. Abdul Tosikal. And this is for to connect the model, video kajian model, and for give the data from this video kajian data to video kajian model. So this is the code. And this code from first till the end took until 70. And in here we has only import three. The first is rest for we can answer to the drawable, and the last is model for we can answer to video kajian model. Okay, so yeah, maybe let's go to the last is we haven't talking about the code inside of this one. So yeah, let's talk about the code. This, as you can see, this is the code for for the last screen, and this for the trigger of the screen. This for the YouTube player, and this for the text view here. This text view again, and this there is image view. This there is a view for the divider, and this for wait a minute. This for next the last text view. Next here, yeah, it's only it's just have a little bit. So yeah, there is concern layout for the layout and the toolbar and cycle view. And the last is this one. We'll talk about this one, and this one is card view, only a card view for the layout and concern layout for the trigger. Card view for this one, and this concern layout for the trigger of this card view. This image for the image of this one, and this the image for another image. This text view for the channel text, and this text view for the speaker text, this text view for title text. So yeah, maybe that's all from my last demonstration of my application today. I'm sorry if I have mistake on my word. Last what I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next video. We will talking about my modification and